Welcome to this comprehensive guide on why use Revolut Expense Management, a powerful tool designed to streamline your financial operations and simplify expense tracking. Revolut is a digital banking platform that offers a range of services including expense management, which is essential for businesses and individuals looking to track and manage their spending effectively. The key concept behind Revolut Expense Management is to provide a centralized platform where you can record, track, and categorize your expenses, making it easier to stay on top of your finances. To get started with Revolut Expense Management, you need to create an account on the Revolut platform, which is a straightforward process that requires basic personal and financial information. Once your account is set up, you can begin adding your expenses, which can be done manually or automatically through the use of digital receipts and invoices. Revolut also offers a range of practical features such as automatic expense categorization, receipt scanning, and real-time transaction tracking, which make it easier to manage your expenses. For example, if you are a business owner, you can use Revolut Expense Management to track employee expenses, generate reports, and set spending limits, all of which can help to reduce financial losses and improve overall financial management. In terms of best practices, it is essential to regularly review and update your expenses, use clear and descriptive categories, and set realistic spending limits to get the most out of Revolut Expense Management. By following these steps and using Revolut Expense Management, you can gain greater control over your finances, reduce administrative tasks, and make informed decisions about your spending. Overall, Revolut Expense Management is a valuable tool that offers a range of benefits, including simplified expense tracking, improved financial management, and increased productivity, making it an essential tool for businesses and individuals looking to manage their expenses effectively.